Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Snipping Tool is not working in Windows 11. If you're using Windows 11 and you're facing the issue that your Snipping Tool is not working, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you just have to open your Task Manager. Just press the Window button or Start button and open Task Manager. And in Task Manager, you just have to check if sniping tool is running or not. So if you might see that sniping tool is running, so you can try to end this task. So let's say, or if you can't find it here, you just have to go to search and just search for snipe, or you might get this here. Just try to end this task. So not going to end this, I'm using this. So you just have to end this its tasks, and after ending this, just go back and you have to restart it. Just press Window button and here search for sniping tool and open this. So it might fix your issue, or if it's still not fix your issue, just go to settings, and in settings you just have to go to system, then go to notifications. You have to make sure that notifications are enabled, then scroll down and you have to also make sure that sniping tool is enabled for to get notifications. And once it's done, you just have to go back, or if you find that notification for sniping tool are not enabled, just try to enable them, because sometimes notifications are not enabled, so your sniping tool isn't working but you are not being notified. So once it's not done, you have to retry to check. If it's still not fixed, you open your settings again. In settings, this time go to apps, go to installed apps, and here you just have to search for snipe or sniping tool. So it's the search for sniping tool. So you might get the app here. Just click on three dots in front of sniping tool, go to advanced options, just scroll down, and here you will get two options with the repair. So the very first you have to try to repair this. So if there will be any issue with this app, it might be fixed in this app. After repairing, you have to retry. If you're still facing the same issues, you can try to reset. It will reset. And you can see that if this app still isn't working right, reset it, and the app's data will be deleted. So if the app have any junk file or any junk data, it might be cleared and fixed in this step. So after doing this, you will not get any kind of issue with your sniping tool. Or in any case, if you're still facing the same issue, so there's the only way, just press your Windows Start button and you just have to search for CMD. Right click on it, click on Run as Administrator, then click on OK or Yes. And here you just have to enter SFC, then enter space, then enter forward slash. Now here you just have to enter scan now. Once I've entered, just press enter. So it will completely scan your system if there will be any junk file, any corrupted file with the system data. So if it will be fixed in the steps, after that you will not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.